Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Good.
morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you doing today? Good morning, ma'am. How
I'm
are you?
doing
Good
fine. I'm
morning, ma'am.
doing
How are
fine.
you doing today?
I am fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay. How are you all?
I'm fine.
Okay. Okay. Good. I got some connectivity issue. That's why I was little late. Fine. So, how was your vacation, everyone? Hi. Hi, everyone. Hi. Zaya, you looking great.
It was good.
Bushra, you looking great with that small stole and all. Fatima, you also looking great. Okay, today we are going to discuss about your exams. Okay, fine. Let me wait for 2 more minutes.
Ma'am, which class it is?
ICT beta, ICT. It is an ICT class. Okay. Okay, what all we have done in ICT? Yeah. Can anyone tell me what all we have done in ICT?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am. Ma'am, let's begin with the session. We are already late.
Yeah. Who said that? Okay. Everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for 3 minutes more. 11:10 we will start a session. Let others, only 10 have joined. Let others also join
Okay,
in.
ma'am.
Yeah, because I want to tell you about how your exams will be done. Okay. If your parents are there, they can also listen so that they'll also get the idea what has to be done next week. Next week on Tuesday, you have assessment now.
Ma'am.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what all we have done in ICT, anyone can tell me? In computers, what all we have done? Yeah, Taha. Taha, can you tell me? Yeah.
Ma'am, can we play a little quiz?
We will, but after beta, today it's very important to discuss about your exam. Okay? Yeah. Scratch, very good. Scratch we have done. What about others? Yeah, Bushra. But what have you started with? Yeah, Scratch, okay. What about others? What have you done? Yeah.
Computer.
Okay. Zahia. Zahia.
Ma'am, I know one.
Yeah, I want you to answer.
Mouse.
Okay, Mouse Hamza. Zahia, I want you to answer.
Yes.
When I came first, 2-3 months after vacation, Diwali vacation, when I came, which chapter I started in computers? Do you remember what I have started in computers? Anyone?
Good morning,
Good morning,
Excel.
Nabil. What have you started in computers?
Excel.
Very good. Very good. Claps for her. Claps for Zahia. Claps for Zaya. Why no? Claps for her. Absolutely right. Very good, beta. Very good. Okay. So you have done 2 chapters. Which 2 chapters, Fatima? Fatima. Fatima. Can you listen me, Fatima?
Ma'am, I know.
Fatima, beta, I'm asking you, are you there?
Connect to it.
Yes.
Connectivity issue. There's no light.
Okay,
There's no light.
okay. No problem, beta. No problem. But at least you can listen. You can listen now. Yeah, Fatima.
Ma'am, can I see
Yeah.
what two
Yeah,
chapters
Hamza.
we have done?
Just the voice.
Yeah, Hamza, tell me. Sanaya, you got lovely home, Sanaya. Sanaya,
It is Excel and mouse.
not mouse, Excel and Scratch. Microsoft Excel and Scratch. Sanaya, are you there, beta? Sanaya? Okay, it's 11:10, now we will start. Sanaya, she's not listening.
Ma'am, laptop also.
Yeah.
What two
Sanaya, sit.
chapters have you studied?
Sanaya, I want to say you something. She is not listening. Are you listening, Sanaya?
Yes.
Yeah, you got a lovely house. Lovely house. I saw it. Okay? Yeah, chalo. Now we will go back to our assessment, our exam part. Which two chapters we have done? Tell me which two chapters? Scratch.
Ma'am, can I say?
Scratch.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Zaya. Scratch and
Scratch Excel.
very good.
Ma'am,
So,
scratch and
which two,
Excel we
which
have
two
done.
chapters?
I
Now,
already know.
what happened, Zaya?
Ma'am, I know the two chapters which we have studied.
Very good. So, in exam, which two chapters will come? Now tell me. Which two chapters will come? Scratch and
Excel.
very good. Have you understood? Now listen, everyone. Now, everyone listen, then you don't keep asking me, ma'am, what has to be done? Ma'am, what has to be done? Listen, everybody, Excel, for Excel chapter, I will be asking you what? I will be asking you, I'll be giving you exam on Tuesday. Okay? Okay? I'll give you one question, 4 option will be there and you have to select one option. Okay? Such questions I'll ask you. Only from Excel. Only from Excel. Now, from where you will prepare? From where you will prepare for Excel chapter? Yeah? Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me, Hamza. If your mother wants to ask me something, it's okay. She can ask. If your mother.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wanted
Yeah.
to ask is that like Excel is not there in the book from where
Yeah,
should
yeah,
I make
ma'am.
him
That's what
prepare?
I'm continuing. What am I saying? This would be like in the Google form, MCQs based question would be there, and material I've already uploaded at Google Classroom. Whatever material
Okay.
content I have given, I'll ask questions from there also. And same thing I'll upload
And,
it in Google Classroom. Okay.
Ma'am, the chapter number 3, the computational thinking, catch the mouse. This is what I have to make him prepare. What?
No, that is toys. That is the last chapter. But you don't have to refer the textbook. That's what I'm saying. Wait, I'll show you. I'll just
Okay.
share a screen. I'll just share a screen at Google Classroom. I've already uploaded that chapter notes. That's what I'm saying. What I've taught
Okay,
them, I've
ma'am.
already uploaded. So I'll ask the question
Okay,
from there
ma'am.
itself. And for your reference, what
All
I'll
right.
do, I'll just show you this thing. Wait, just give me 2 minutes. Just give me 2 minutes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. And the same thing I'm going to upload in Google Classroom also, syllabus, pattern, everything. So there would be no confusion. Right now, I'm also discussing and I'll upload it today itself. Just give me 2 minutes. Please, everyone, listen carefully, okay? This is for your exam. 25 marks exam would be there. So everyone has to listen carefully. Any doubt, please message me on WhatsApp. Direct message me. I'll clear it out. Don't hesitate, whatever it is. Okay. Here I am. I'll just share a screen for everyone. For everyone who ever doubt. Please look over here.
Ma'am, you haven't started.
Yeah, I have started. Is it visible, Hamza? Can you see it, Hamza Qureshi? Is it visible? Yeah, look. Go to your classroom. Look at the first announcement. Look. Yeah, Talat Hashmi posted a new material. Dear Edison, the notes for the chapter 6 have been uploaded. Okay, here it is. Just click on this. You'll get this. Just open this. Okay, and you have to prepare it from here. That's it. Is it fine? Is it fine? Okay. Okay, everybody got it? Yeah. So this was about, okay. And how many marks I will ask for Excel? I'm explaining it here. Hamza, is it clear, Hamza and everybody else? Yeah. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll just share a screen with you, whiteboard, so everybody gets a clear idea. Please tell to your parents also, show it to them also, so there is no confusion. And I'll upload same.
Ma'am, I know Microsoft Excel.
Okay. So this is Microsoft Excel 10 marks, Scratch 15 marks. Here I'll be giving you question answers.
Excel for kid one, na ma'am.
What?
Excel for kid.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, this is writing. Ma'am, I
Yes.
learned Excel for kids. Ma'am, I also learned.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, this is writing.
This is what I'm going to take. This will be done on Tuesday itself. 10 marks, 10 marks I'm giving to Microsoft Excel, and Scratch I'm giving 15 marks. Now look, for Microsoft Excel, I'll be asking you only 10 questions. For every question, 4 options will be there, and you have to select one. Okay? Have you understood? No theory question. Only one-liners. You have to select one answer. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear to everyone?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
So that if you're not understanding, I'll explain it again. And now this is the purely like an exam. This chapter is like an exam only. Now what we are going to do for Scratch. Now listen this carefully. Now listen this very carefully. Huh? Now look. You have to create for Scratch. Everyone listen to me. Scratch. You have to create a small content. Birthday party theme or a jungle theme. Whatever you feel like. Okay. Up to you.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
have to create a song.
Yes. No. Any content, small content. First, listen to me, Bitta. Hamza, listen to me. What am I saying? Create a small content. Take a backdrop, take sprite, any sprite you feel like, effects you want to give. Okay, up to you. And what you will do then? What you will do? After doing this, what you'll do? You'll save it in your computer. You will? What you will do?
Ma'am,
What you will do?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
but in computer it don't save.
What are you saying?
In my computer it don't save.
How is that possible? Okay, I will teach you today how to save it. Okay, I will teach you today.
Ma'am, I don't know how to save in
That's what I'm
Scratch.
teaching. That's what I'm teaching you now. I know many of my already taught you, but you are not aware. Wait. First, go to Scratch, Google, type Scratch official website. Then go to the first link, open it. Yeah, Zaya, what's your question? I'll go to create. Now it's up to you. Go on here. Okay, now what do you do? Now what do you do? Create. Take a
Yeah, we have
backdrop.
to, when it's done.
Sorry,
When
Fatima.
it's done, how to save it?
Sorry, Fatima. Can you repeat it, Beta?
After we're done doing all of
Yeah, that's what I'm teaching.
everything.
Let me do
So-
something now. Fatima, let me make something. That's what I'm doing. I'm teaching you how to save. I'm
So
teaching
do
you
we have
everything.
to make a team or do we have to make a picture or a story?
What you feel like. I am looking out for which backdrop you're taking, which sprite you're taking, what effect you're putting. Up to you. How much you know. Okay? All up to you. I kept it on you. Your wish. Let's take Piku.
Okay.
That's why I didn't keep same theme for anyone. It's up to you what you want to create. It's your creativity. It's your work. Let me take a ballerina. Okay. I'm taking ballerina. I'm taking a, let's take, not beach, castle. Okay. Whatever you feel like, events, she's dancing. Okay. All up to you if you want to change costume. Okay. Now look. If you want to change her costume, all up to you. I'll see that. It's up to you. Wait, let me make her make it turn, move 10 steps. Okay. Hello and okay. It's up to you. Events forever. I want that she should move. Go to control. Okay. Now she's moving a lot. Let me get it back. So it's up to you what you want to make her. And then wait, I'll just look how she's moving, dancing. Okay. So I made this. Now, if like you have also made this. Now what you have to do, you have to save. Look how to save it. Wait, let me stop this. Now I have, look, Fatima and everyone else who don't know how to save it, please look over here. Please, how to save it. This is for your exam. Otherwise, next time when we are meeting, I'm going to ask you, where is your scratch work?
Ma'am, I do it mobile.
Okay. Now look, but you have to do it on laptop and show it to me next Tuesday. Now look, Fatima and everyone who don't know how to save it. Fatima and everyone, look. Beta, can you see? Wait, now tell me, can you see over here file option? Can you see file option over here? I'll go here and I'll do what? Look, save to your computer. What I'll do? Save to your computer. Look. Wait. It's the problem. Just a second. Huh? Why changes cannot be saved? Just a second. Look, can you see here? Fatima, can you see here? Wait, everyone else. It got saved. Look, this part. It got saved.
What? It got?
Yes, it got saved. Now wait. Wait, I'm showing you. Wait, how to... Wait. I'll just do what? Just remember the 03AA. I can also name it. No, this is...
03AA.
Now look, this is my new. Now, what am I doing? I'm going to open it. Now I want my file which I have saved. I have to take it from the computer. So look at this option, load from your computer. Load from your computer. This page will get open. What is today's date?
Today is 11 January.
Wait, why it didn't get saved? It has to get saved. No.
What? You did this?
Okay. No, it's there. It's there. Wait. Wait, huh?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Can you please send the link
Wait.
of Scratch?
Wait. It has to. Edison. Who's doing that? Stop it. Okay. Wait.
Ma'am, can you try? I cannot save.
Same. Wait. That's what I'm doing it for you, Bitta. That's what I'm doing it. Wait. I took this. I'll just make it simple.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can you please send a link of Scratch?
I'll send it. Okay. Now look, this is my part. I want to save this. I'm going to file, save to your computer.
अरे अभी रुको मुझे करना सेव नहीं होता मेरे कंप्यूटर
No, you have to save it to your computer.
साइन इन के बिना ये सेव नहीं होगा. हटाओ अपना हाथ.
तो करो
Look,
ये तुमने बनाया
look, can you see here? Everyone, can you see here? It got saved over here. Look, this part. Now, how should I open it? Look,
you go to file and
then load from your computer.
your computer.
It is not. But it happens. What's the problem? We did in Faraday class. Okay, it's in download part. Okay, wait. Load from your computer. Go to downloads part.
Ma'am, I only have a mobile. I don't have a computer.
How is it possible? Okay, we did this before, right? You load from your computer, you will get it. Save it to your computer and load from your computer. Definitely you'll get it.
कर लेना फिर से. ठीक है.
Ma'am, I don't have a computer.
Then how will you do this? Then how will you do this? Yeah.
Can I do this on mobile phone also?
Okay, do it.
Ma'am,
Do one thing.
I have laptop.
Okay. do one thing.
Ma'am, I have laptop.
Okay. For Excel, you have understood now what has to be done. For Excel, you have understood now. Kids. Yeah. So look, if you're getting Fatima, you there? Prepare your content for next Tuesday. Listen to me, everyone. Kids, listen to me. Listen to me.
Mute all of them.
Yeah. Listen. What will happen next Tuesday? You prepare your scratch work, and I will allow you to share the screen, and I will see your work. Is that fine?
Ma'am,
Save it in all. Yeah.
Okay.
No need to save it in all. Listen. You open Scratch, you prepare your work and keep it. And I'll ask one by one person to share the screen and I'll see. And I'll give them. Is that clear? Everyone, is it clear? Okay. Yeah, tell me.
अच्छा तुम बताओ तो पहले.
एक बार done.
Anybody having doubt what is to be done in the exam?
Ma'am, how to share the screen?
Hamza Qureshi, are you clear? What has to be done? Yes, I will ask questions from Excel sheet and Scratch. You have to make a content next Tuesday. Everyone? Everyone will do it. Everyone will do it and keep it ready. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
to share the screen. Ma'am,
You don't know how to share a screen? How to share a screen? You don't know, Sanaya? Okay, listen. See Sanaya. Sanaya, see over here.
I also do it.
Okay, how many of you don't know how to share a screen?
I don't know how to share a screen.
Okay, now listen. Now listen. Sure. Wait. I'll show you how to share a screen. Look, Taha started sharing screen. Yeah, I have seen that, Taha. Look how to share a screen.
Ma'am, I cannot see. Can you please?
Wait. Now look. Can you see here my screen, everyone? You just go to the share screen. Just go to this thing. What do we say? Sanaya and Hamza. Can you see share screen down on your laptop? Look, there is an option of share screen. Can you see that? Yeah? Yeah. Just click on that. Just click on that. And share the tabs which you want. Who's doing this? Stop it. Who's doing this? Stop it.
Ma'am, it is Taha.
Taha, stop it.
Ma'am, I cannot.
Now who else doesn't know? Hello?
Ma'am, Bushra, I don't know.
Bushra, beta, just see there is a share screen option down. Can you see that?
Ma'am, to save, we have to sign in. Ma'am, to save, we have to sign in.
No, you don't have to save it. You will just share your screen and show me your work. Okay? And I'll give you marks.
To save the work, we have to sign in.
No. To save the work, no, you don't have to sign in. Beta, it can be saved. I have saved so many scratch work without signing in. I've done it on that website only. And it happens. I don't know what's problem now I'm getting it, but it happens. I've done in another class. Okay? Now listen. Stop it. It's okay. You don't need to save and all. Listen to me first. Listen, kids. What for next Tuesday, I want everyone to get your scratch work, okay? And share your screen and show it to me. You can. Just a minute, Fatima. I'm leaving only. So have you understood what has to be done? For what happened, Bushra? Yeah, what happened, Bushra? If you're getting any problem now, Bushra, look, make a video of your scratch work, and send it at Google Classroom. That's it. Don't take so much of stress. Okay? Understood? Make a video and send it at Google, upload it at Google Classroom. That's it.
I have a query.
Well, yeah, Zaya, tell me.
Ma'am, I have a query that you told it will only work on computers. Will it work on mobile phones also?
You can if you're comfortable enough, but I haven't taught you how to like do it in this thing mobile phone. You want to do it on mobile phone?
I already have.
So do it on computers, na first beta for this exam. Okay?
But I don't have a computer.
Laptop?
Laptop? I have that. I will.
Boss, you have to go on Google and you have to just type scratch and you have to do your work. Then you have to share a screen with me, beta. So simple. I made it so simple for you.
Ma'am, can you please send it to Google? Laptop and computer.
Good. Zaya, I'm putting each and every detail in the Google Classroom. Did not worry. Okay, what has to be done? Okay, I'll put whatever today I have thought, I have spoke here, I'll put each and everything. So did not worry about it. Here I have discussed with you because you also get familiar what has to be done. Okay, everyone? Chalo. Any other doubt? See you on Tuesday. Come prepared. Fine?
Ma'am, I have not laptop and computer.
Everyone, okay, good. Please do something in Scratch and come on Tuesday, okay? You have a marks on that. Sure. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.
Bye. Take care.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Best of luck for your exam.